What's the meaning of A Star is Born? A star is born. A star is born.
A star is born. A star is born. A star is born is a popular phrase used to describe the rise of a new talent in the entertainment industry. The term originated from a 1937 film of the same name, which has since been remade several times. The story typically follows an aspiring performer who becomes a star while their mentor or love interest experiences a decline in their career. Overall, the phrase, "a star is born," represents the concept of the emergence of a new star with great potential, often at the expense of someone else's fame.